this one. You cut it this one. For me kasi, yan, ganyan ako. Hindi ako marunong mag-ano kasi step by step. So, if you want to remove this one, the nails, you can use the scissor. So, you like that. If you don't like, you use this one. Use the knife. Okay. So easy if you use the knife. Finish. And the next, you should take out the pet. Dito ang tawag dito, this one, you remove it. So, the next, I don't like this kind. I need some this one. This one, cut it this. Kung ayaw mo nang gumamit ng knife, if your scissor is so sharp, you can use like this. You can take that so easy. If your scissor is so sharp, but you can use the knife. Cut it. Cut. Okay. And then, so you cut this part. So you cut it. For me, I don't like this part, so I remove this one. Yeah. Okay. And then this side, you cut it. Hindi ko alam kung anong part dito. Ito. Basta yung yung legs. The whole leg. If you want the scissor again, you can use it, but maybe I just only show if you want it, but I don't. I use using the knife. So if you want to cut this one, and then you remove the fat like this. If you don't like the fat, so you get this hop, and then cut it. Later on, I cut it. So that's it, guys. Because later on, I use this later on for my garnishing. I need to beautify the food. So, see this? Ay, buhay ko sinira. Yan siya. Later on, I gonna cook with the coconut.